Dumpster rental service in Columbus, Texas. Looking for the best dumpster rental service in Columbus, Texas? B&E Site Services is your go-to provider for reliable and affordable dumpster rentals. We understand that waste disposal is an essential part of any project, whether you're cleaning out your home, remodeling a property, or managing a construction site. Our roll-off dumpsters are available in multiple sizes, making handling any waste removal job easy. From household junk to heavy construction debris, we provide the correct dumpster to meet your needs. We make the rental process simple and hassle-free, ensuring you can focus on completing your project efficiently. We pride ourselves on fast delivery and prompt pickup. We know that timing is crucial, and we work hard to ensure your dumpster arrives when you need it and is removed as soon as you're done. There are no unnecessary delays or wasted time, just reliable service you can count on. At B&E Site Services, we believe in transparent pricing. That means no hidden fees or unexpected costs, just fair and competitive rates. We work with homeowners, contractors, and business owners to provide cost-effective waste management solutions. If you're looking for a dependable and affordable dumpster rental, B&E Site Services is the answer. Call 979-616-6858 today to schedule your rental and keep your project on track.